Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another fun and exciting video for you guys. So here I am just pushing back my cuticles because today we will be doing a polygel nails tutorial with, of course, the Beetles gel polish full cover nail tips, which are my absolute favorite. I will have them linked down below. So here I'm just pushing back my cuticles, and then after, what I do is I use Elmer's school glue that I picked up the other day at the Dollar Tree, and pretty much I just put that on my nail because for video purposes I want to pop them right off, so I do use that as my peel off coat. And I just used it with a dual sided brush that I just recently picked up from Amazon, and I will have them linked down below. So this side is the brush side that I'm using to apply the Elmer school glue, and then the other side is a dotting tool, so it's very convenient and it's very cute as well. So here, that is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna apply it to all my nails, and then we will move on to the following step. So here I am just using my e-file, and this is a medium grip buffing bit. And what I always do, I show this step on each of my videos just in case for the new subscribers. So here what I do is I blend the top of the full nail tip, and the reason being because I want to give it a more plush blended look when I apply these full cover nail tips. I want it to blend very beautifully on the cuticle area. So this is the reasoning behind buffing these nail tips. So here you will just see the process of me doing it. So now that I am done buffing the nail, now what I will do is I will grab any nail polish, and here in particular I have the LA Colors that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, this sparkly translucent one, because I do want some glitter on these nails, not in the entire nail but in certain places. So here I am just applying where I want the glitter on all these nails. I'm letting them dry off, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. This is honestly one of my favorite nail sets that I've created for you guys so far. So I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I ended up loving the nails. Okay, so here I have the Models One's top coat, and I will just be using this as an adhesive to the foil. Wherever I want to place the foil, I will be placing beforehand the top coat for them to just stick on nicely, and then I will just cure them for 60 seconds. So these are what the nails look like after they've been cured and ready to go. So now I will be using the Gershon dark pink and white polygel, and we will begin the process. So here pretty much I wanted to create some beautiful marble nails that included glitter and foil at the same time, just to give that extra hint and that extra pop to the nails. So I will just be randomly placing white polygel and the dark pink polygel all over the nail, and what I will be doing after is that brush that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video that I was using to apply my peel off coat. Pretty much I will be using that dotting tool, and I will just be mixing it randomly to my liking to create that marble effect that I was really going for here. These are the nails after they are all finished. I did go off camera and place on my base coat, but here pretty much I am just applying each and every one of the nails, placing them and cleaning up any excess if they are oozing out. But here, as you guys can see, they look beautiful. I really love them, and here I'm just applying each and every one of the nails and just curing it for 60 seconds. So these are the nails after they've been fully cured. As you guys can see, they look so beautiful. I really am loving them. Tell me down below what you guys think, but I definitely am loving them. So here I'm just grabbing my file and I'm just going to file my nails, file on top of them, and then I will later on buff. So I hope you guys enjoy the process. Okay, so here I will be applying the Model 1's top coat on all my nails and then curing them for 60 seconds. And by the way, I recently purchased the Macart portable UV lamp and I definitely recommend it. I give it a thumbs up. It's just so much more flexible and convenient while you are working with your nails. It really is a great purchase in my opinion, and it was only, I believe, $12.99, but I will have it linked down below for you guys if any of you are interested. It is really great. It was definitely a life changer for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, thank you so much for all my subscribers and all the love I always get down in the comments. It means so much to me. Thank you, thank you. I am very grateful for you all. So these are the end results of the nails. I am absolutely in love with them. I definitely love them. Let me know what you guys think down below. I am obsessed with these nails. These are definitely my favorite set. Thank you so much for all the love and support as always. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.